Definitely, sir. So it was actually a quite good experience to me, and I'm surprised that there is a product like this in the market, and I was not aware of it. As of now, sir, I haven't seen any other product like this, and I've been like working with Make My Trip. I, I was like working with Tata, but I have never found such a product where a company or the employer is providing you funds at the end of the month, or they are just providing any extra funds to you. It is sufficient because everything was mentioned there when I was running through the form, and when I tried to find my suitable thing, yeah, it was all I can see. It was all available there. Yes, I'm actually satisfied, and actually, as I said, it's a brilliant experience for me. So yeah, I can say I'm totally satisfied with the services. Definitely. Yeah, actually, I did it. I did already say to my colleagues. I was talking to my ex-colleague who is currently working there in the Make My Trip. And when I actually picked that amount from Vrddi, I was talking to him and I informed about the same thing. And he was so surprised as well. He said, such a product like this is actually available. So it's a really thing. Yeah, definitely I would recommend others as well. There won't be any kind of a loan requirement after this. If someone is like using the Vrddi product and if there is a need of 15 to 20 bucks, then definitely it can be like we can utilize the Vrddi services. We don't need to go to bank or take any kind of loans from any other applications of bank. So personally, I'm not aware of anyone who is taking the private lending. But yeah, definitely, I've known people, they are taking loans, so I can definitely recommend them. And the problem that they have, it can be solved by the Vrddi as well. Definitely, I can say, yeah, by using this service, I can say that I have actually been in the same situation. Let me tell you my experience. So why I picked the Vrddi amount, it is actually because I was in the need of the money because my father had a like had a surgery and there was a medical equipment that I need to purchase. So I was some short of some money, and the product was like around 50 to 60K, and I had already managed to like bring 30 to 40K, and I needed other 15K. So I used that service to borrow the money and to take the to purchase that equipment for my father. So definitely. Actually, this is not covered under medical insurance because you need to uh, wait for around 4 to 5 years, or your policy should be like older than 4 to 5 years. Then your equipment will be covered into this. If I had to think in that way, then definitely I can still remember that it is actually it will be a really it was going to be a really problematic thing for me. It was going to be a hard time because I definitely had to ask someone else from my like friends, so from so relatives, or even I may be able to use some applications to take the loan of that amount and to repay that. But definitely, it was going to be a critical situation if the Vrddi was not there. It can be, yeah. I can expect it to be a month or for a year at least for 12 months of EMIs. Oh, as I can recall my life, I have never been able to see such a product that where I do not have to invest, or like where I do not have to like provide any kind of document for such as like uh, the credit score or anything could be. Yeah, I have never seen any product where we do not provide any documents for the KYC. Takes like a minute to log in into the application and to check the details. So actually, that is the second best part of this services that you do not have to actually take follow up with anyone else and to ask anyone like, what about my application? Is it processed or not? What is going to be done ahead? Right. I just had to go into the application. I just fill the form, fill the details over there, submit documents as if it is required. Then that's it. I'm able to say that if there is no other application is available, then I'm actually eligible for the money. So it was so easy for me to get that money. So basically, if we talk about the advanced salary, then definitely we can take this services if it is required. Then actually it depends that how much amount you are eligible for. Secondly, you will need to prepare some extra amount after that and the tenure actually. And there are a lot of other things that you need to manage while taking the advance salary. That's actually the first point that I said that if you are eligible to get that money, then only you will be able to take that, right? And after that, whatsoever the amount you will be able to be eligible for the above your like the income that you're getting. Yeah, it won't be possible to give the benefit of that option to everybody because the company funds will also be like allotted and they have such allocations over all these things and definitely they won't be able to provide the funds to all even if all the members are like eligible own server is applicant. So hi guys, my name is Ashish. I'm working with Money Club and I'm here to tell you a really surprising thing that I've been a part of Vrddi. This is a product that provides you funds during the emergency. And actually, this is being provided by your employer. That is the best part. And it is all secure. And you can take the funds according to your need and whenever it's required. It has a lot of options and the like flexibility to provide these funds.